Hi Drasto Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a really cute owl that was inspired by a Anirollz plush. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper and let's get started. To draw this cute owl, we're going to first start by drawing the ear. So I'm going to come up right here with a curve and down. So a little ear like that. And then we're just basically going to draw a big oval all the way around. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to start to draw my oval, and we're just going to bring it all the way down and around. So it's all up to you how fat or skinny you want your owl to be. So I'm just going to start this side so it makes it a little bit easier for me to connect as I come down. So I'm making my owl pretty wide. You can make yours a little bit skinnier. And finally gonna just go ahead and connect it right there. So there, big oval. Okay, so then now I'm gonna come to this side about right here and pop out the other ear. So about right here. From there, let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come in this area right here. Just kind of imagine this is our center right here. So about right here, I'm going to start to draw the beak. So about in this area, just draw a curve and connect it with a V. So we got our beak in. Now we're going to come right next to this beak and draw a big circle for the eye. So about right here, I'll start. And just draw a big circle all the way around. And right here on this side, it's going to be half of a circle. So it's going to kind of come into this area. So I'm just come about right here. And I'm going to start to draw my other circle. And just kind of bring it in a little bit. And finish it off inside to this curve. So there, we got our two eyes in. So let's come inside, we're going to draw a circle. So about in this area, we're going to draw another circle. And same thing on this side. And let's give it a little highlight right here. So another circle and then shade the rest in. Same thing right here. There, super cute, right? Okay, so then now let's come to next to the eye right here where we draw a wing. So right next to the eye, we're just gonna kind of like a W. One little curve and another one, just tuck it in. And so then on the other side, we're going to see a little bit of the wing. So come out about right here and just tuck a little curve in. And at the bottoms right here, we're going to draw some curves for the markings of our owls. So let's say about right here, we'll start. And I'm just going to follow my bottom line for my curve. So this one will be our two center ones. And then we're going to get smaller. So maybe I'll just make a smaller one here. Taper it off. Smaller. And one more, even smaller. There. And then, of course, last but not least, let's draw a little heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute owl from Anirollz. Pretty cool, right? It's so cute. So now that we're done with the drawing, let's go ahead and color it with some colored pencils. So there, hope you guys love this cute little owl drawing, and I made it easy for you guys to follow along and color. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.